is in the town! Come join the tickin' fun!
The first video on a watch building channel should probably be about building a watch. But today, I'm taking one apart, and I have 3 reasons for that. You'll see why in a moment. Before my trip to Thailand, I wanted a GMT watch, something to easily track 2 time zones. But buying a Monta or Tudor for several thousand, you know how that goes. So I decided to build my dream watch myself. Pepsi bezel, white dial. I ordered all the parts from AliExpress, and this was my very first DIY watch build. Reason 1, practical. Everything was great until I started noticing the hour markers on the dial had a greenish tint. In the AliExpress photos, they looked white. In reality, not so much. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. It's like a dead pixel on your monitor, except it's on your wrist. Reason 2, technical. One day I went to set the date. I turned the crown, and it just came off, because I never glued it to the stem. Perfect AliExpress build. 2, me, 0. Reason 3, logo style. The third reason, the logo. I put a lot of thought into it and even had it printed on the dial, but the more I looked at it, the less I liked it. Watches are about style, and style has to feel right. So I decided it's time for a change. So yeah, I'm taking this watch apart, but it's getting a second life, a new dial, a new logo, because every build is an experiment. If you want to build your own watch too, if you love experimenting with cases, dials, colors, or if you just want to learn from my mistakes before making your own, subscribe to the channel. This is a channel about building watches, finding your style, and creating a timepiece that's truly yours. Not someone else's, yours. Time is what you make it.